Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. Lesson 68. This lesson, in continuity of previous lessons, focuses upon Shalokas 12 to 15 of chapter 15. Shalokas 1 to 6 have focused upon caption word Ashwath TC21 parallel with Sthapatya miring rod for inflow of the transcendental content within four space from the eastern cosmic window. This tree as it is being viewed of its existence in the southern hemisphere, but being viewed from the northern hemisphere, and this as it is within a creator's space is making it not properly established, and for it we have to transcend dimension man, moho, and sangha. 20, 26, and 30. That means we have to transcend the dimensions, we have to transcend the origin, and also we have to transcend the processing steps. Now, after this transcendence, we reach a stage where the 5 space with 6 space as its origin, and 6 space origin itself being of a creative dimension, and creative dimension is having a transcendental origin, and as such there happens a split for 5 space domain, so much so that the 6 space origin transcends out. It is this transcending out of a 6 space which is the phenomenon of a jeev. How it transcends out, how 6 space transcends out of 5 space, a body, Panchamahabhut body, it transcends out, and when it transcends out, it makes 5, 6, and 5 as a 16, and the transcending out means the creative dimension itself splits, there happens a visport, and it is this format that it is Utkarman, it is the Jeev. So we will reaching at a phase and stage. It is this Utkarman stage which is going to be the focus of chase of Shlokas 12 to 15. The Shlokas 12 to 15 in a way can be taken having a caption word, a Tej, TC value 15. The value 15 and value 18 are interconnected as much as it is 3 cross 5 and it is 3 cross 6. Further, that numbers 1 to 18 are leading to factors 1 to 33, that is 18 plus 15. It is this 15, the extra factors. These extra factors value are to be appreciated here in the context. Now we are having 1 to 18 Its factors are 1 to 33. 33 makes it 18 plus 15. This is called Prakriti and this is called Pratyay. These are knowledge and it is the nature. So it is the natural knowledge. This natural knowledge 15, here is TC value Tej. 15 is the value Ram. 15 is the value 3 into 5. That means it is going to be 3, 3, 3, 5 times or 5, 5, 5, 3 times. This is the value which is a guru. One shall sit comfortably and chase this formulation. This is Ga, U, Ra, and elongated U, that is U plus U. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All are values 3. It is the formulation which shall be appreciated. One shall sit comfortably and chase this formulation, and when we will know that this Ashwath 21, when enters from the eastern, enters the Kendra and transcendental origin. It is this transcendental origin which, as a solid dimensional setup, 3 space dimension and 5 space as a domain, 3 into 5, 15 is going to be the dimensional frame. And then we know that Kendra, the formulation Kendra is the formulation which is of TC value 23. 23 is equal to 15 plus 8. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 8 is 3 plus 5. This is going to be the reach. Now 8 is Akash. It is Ras and it is Ek. How 21 and 15 are to be appreciated. See, 51 is the TC value of a Ram. 21 is the TC value of a Ravan. See how 21 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. And 15 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now, here it is Raw 5 and Ma 10. Here it is Raw 5 and 1 is equal to 16. See, 10 is equal to H3 and it is equal to D6. So, this 15 is a Gyan. This is Tej. So, what the Ravana is doing? He is attaining all the knowledge. And he is attaining the knowledge of a D6. That means space content, Dravya. So, he is in a Bhut Vidya. He is having a knowledge of all the material here. And here is the knowledge of a Tej. Therefore, we have to be well concentrative while we will be at the Shalokas 12 to 15 of Gita, chapter 15, Purushottam Yoga. The Purushottam Yoga, 12 is Yoga and 15 is Tej. So, yogi is to be all for what is the grace, what is the tej, and Jnani is will be at the most going to what is going to be, say, like a tree. He understand all what is happening here in the form of a tree, but he is not understanding what is happening as a Porsche. So, to have Aushadhi, we have to have this knowledge as well. So, Briksha and Purush are to be read together, to be appreciated simultaneously. It is here where the Purushottam Yoga is the enlightenment. So, Purushottam Yoga is the enlightenment. We have to go for a Purushottam Yoga. Its TC value 49 and it is equal to 6, 8 and 7. So 7 place value system will give the double digits 48 parallel to the dimensional frame of spatial dimension, creative dimension and the self-referral. This is Rishi. Therefore, we have to be careful in our sequential progression. Start 1 to 6, then 7 to 11, and ahead is 12 to 15. Finally, will be 16 to 20. We are here. Here, the caption word is Tej. Here, the caption word is Jeev. And here, the caption word is Ashwath. Here, we have a reach only this much that there is a transcendental cavity, that is the human heart. There is an heart within which this Rakt flows, and Rakt is 10. It is H3. It is a solid dimension which is happening. Still, it is a Bhut Vidya. Then we will reach at Jeev. Jeev is 1 to 16 numbers. Take 1 to 29, and 29 is equal to 16 plus 13. So it is taking from 16 to 13 extra. It is Chit. So we have to have knowledge of Brahma, but in the form of a Chit consciousness, because Brahma is the overlord of a four space, and four space is a Hirde. It is the fourth chakra of a body. Within it, there is a Chit. We have to take care of this consciousness. Unless and until we are conscious, all and everything will remain mundane. Therefore, 13 to 15, it is Chit which will take to a Tej. It is this phase where we are reaching while we are in Shalokas 12 to 15. And here it is that Surya 13, Chandra 19, and Agni 14. All these things are there because of a Tej. The Shlokas 12 to 15 preserve the enlightenment as that the Paramatma, is a placement which is beyond the domain of a sun, moon, and fires, Agni, Chandrama, and Surya. It is beyond that domain, and it is from that domain that there is a flow of a Tej. It is this flow of a Tej which is to be marked for its role in our existence. The sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the Gita 15 Purushottam Yoga have to appreciate that there is a sthul sharir, suksham, karan, and reaches to be beyond that atit. It is here where Jeev is having its role, and Jeev is having a role because of a tej, and it is tej which will make the Purush, and the Purush is Khyar, Akhyar, and Uttam, and all these together is reaching from Prakriti to Pratyay. It will take us to a domain which will make Purushottam. These all are the steps. This all is a suksham. So these are the technical terms. These are to be translated into their numbers. And it is only